Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be helping you guys in finding your code for the flamethrower. So you will need to find like 4 to 5 emojis. I only had to find 4, fortunately. And like I had like 2 repeats of the same emoji. That's what I meant. Anyways, so the first emoji I found was here, which is this one, and then the second one was here. Now, I searched literally everywhere in this map for the third and fourth code, and I couldn't find it, and it was because sneaky little Dress to Impress put it in the lobby. So if you cannot find it anywhere in the like dressing rooms, don't try to find it because it's not going to be there. So I'm just going to go to the lobby now. So I'm just going to go to the private server and I'm going to change it to the regular mode instead of free play. Press confirm. And you'll be able to find your other emojis. Now, again, it's going to be scattered everywhere and it's going to be different for you guys. But this is where I found mine. Let me just do the fast walk real quick so I can walk faster. So I found mine here on the tables as well as near the obby. Well, like underneath here. And here is where I found my emojis. And again, the order is above the scoreboard where you'll be able to find the like order you put your emojis in. Anyways, that is besides the point. Again, if you cannot find it in the like dressing rooms, you'll be able to find it in the lobby. There's no place else. And it's not going to be in the VIP section. It's not going to be, I think, outside of the like dressing rooms. Like in free play, there's going to be like these photo booths. I don't think it's going to be there. But yeah, it's again in lobbies or just in the regular dressing rooms and like the salon and stuff. And that is it. Hopefully you'll be able to find your emojis for this flamethrower item. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!